And what is good? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's been a long time since we've uploaded due to a lot of shit, work and whatnot. But today I'm here by myself. No Ty today, but I got a special guest, the wifey. I pulled the trigger on something yesterday and I went to pick it up in San Francisco, and it's for the Z. Got myself a new steering wheel, carbon fiber. So I said, fuck it, why not? It was time to do a little upgrade on the Z because it's been getting neglected. It's almost about to be 2 years that I own this car and I don't really do shit to it. So I said, fuck it, why not? So this is gonna be gone. I'm gonna add the new one in. As far as I know, it's just two right there. Where is it? Right there. On the other side as well. Yep. Those two, once you take those two off, then this comes out, the airbag. We just gotta be careful. I already disconnected the battery. Then it's the center bolt and just switch with that one. So all right, flash forward. We had to go to Home Depot, get a screwdriver because the ones on the side, you need the star ones but with a little hole in the middle, or else you won't be able to take it out. Bubs over here was able to take them out for me because she has to put her part in it if she wants to keep driving in here. But then once you take those two out on the sides, you wiggle this shit out, the airbag slash horn. Then you disconnect this one, which is connected there, and then these two, which are connected here. So you just gotta be real careful with these because apparently these break easily, which I found out. You put the flathead and just from here, it's much easier than using little pliers or something to try and yank them out, and less trouble of breaking some. But once this is out, just this, and that should come out. Unless your steering wheel doesn't have the plastic shit in the middle, then you have to transfer this to the new one. Mine's luckily came with, so all I have to do is just take this out and put the new one in. So up to you guys when that happens. And just like that, new steering wheel's in. Busted thumb, nice. Wasn't too bad. I think this one, where is it? Right there. This little excess plastic is like stopping me from putting that tab like that on there, but that's pretty much in. All that shit is quick, nothing too hard, too complicated. That's just another addition to the car. Spice it up a little bit. Apologize for the lack of content. I started a new job. It was just 2 weeks, but I did that. Ty has started a new job, so he was kind of getting used to all that shit as well. But aside from that, I believe Ty has finally got the hatch starting. He just needs a new ECU for that shit to completely run. It doesn't run on itself. He needs to constantly press on the throttle for it to stay alive. But it's interesting. We got a lot of shit coming up, like I said. So we apologize for the lack of content. Hope you guys enjoy this one though. Quick little refresher and how can I say, just we're still alive. Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is, I want to say, how do you say, post-op after the new steering wheel on the Z. I'm actually enjoying it. It's pretty, like, I guess the circumference, like, I think that's what you want to call it, I guess, or the thickness of the steering wheel is like fucking amazing. It's obviously thicker than the stock steering wheel. Just that, as you can see, it's fucking cricky. I messed up when tightening it. I probably like threw off the fucking alignment of that shit, but I mean, that's quick, easy fix. It ain't nothing too serious where it's like affecting the handling and whatever of the car, but I really enjoy it. Really good purchase. I mean, can't say nothing bad about it. It's really comfortable. Can enjoy it. There's a lot more shit to come to the car. I still got other carbon fiber pieces I would like to add. just know there's a lot of more content coming. Like I said, I had a quick little 2-week job. That's why we wasn't posting on the weekend. And then, like I said, Ty was busy doing his own thing too. I also do plan on lowering the car more, because I know after I lowered it the last time, that shit was still pretty high. So it's like I need to get that perfect fitment, at least in the rear, because in the front I don't want to lower it yet, because I do scrape the bottom already just off the little bit that I did drop. But also I think Mondo CRX is finally running, but I think they're just gonna do a full-on swap, because they figured out the issues that was going on, why it wasn't turning on. But it's back to square one, which was, it was dropping a lot of oil from somewhere, I think, or transmission fluid or some shit. But like I said, you guys will get an update on all that later on in the future. But aside from that, I mean, $420 for a steel wall isn't, I mean, I guess you could consider it expensive, but
good purchase.
It's a good purchase. And if you want to do something to the car, you're gonna have to spend a hefty price for it, I guess you could say, right? But I enjoy it. Like I said, thank you guys for the support. Right now I'm on my way to go wash the car, because it's in deep need of a cleaning from inside and out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm also going to do a little bit of I guess you could say B-roll shit of the steering wheel, so you guys can see get a better look of it. Just don't make fun of the way it's centered, because like I said, it's crooked. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it, and let us know what else you guys would like to see on the future video. And peace out. See you guys on the next one.